Hello YouTube, my name's Todd, and this is not my dooryard. We're indoors tonight. But this came today, and we're going to find out what it is, because it's got my name on it. And I am reasonably confident that this is my brake booster master cylinder kit from ABS Power Brake in Orange, California. Not sponsored. You guys feel like kicking something my way, I will shill your stuff. Well, let's get this thing open and see what we got in here. Their packaging is definitely above average. These big industrial staples, they are holding a lot of cardboard down. Hey, there's one flap. One flappy flap. They were serious about not wanting this to come open during the trip. Which, well, is a bit of my pain in my ass right now. I guess is probably a good thing. Pretty impressive level of packing in here. There's some Alrighty then. Let's get rid of the box. Ka-chow! Alright. 6566 T-Bird disc drum 129220. The 6566 T-Bird disc drum is definitely that's a good sign. I'd like to have that. Oh my God. Okay. Are we thinking that looks like what we got going on in there? Except for the... Oh, and they're going to come out on that side. It does not have the right... Set you on that side. Find you someplace that you're going to set and not roll off. Apparently that doesn't exist. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to put this right there. And we're going to take you guys. Come here. Look at me. Oh, Jesus, I stepped on bubble paper. It scared the living bejesus out of me. Okay. This part right here does not have the secondary port for the transmission kick down. We're going to have to change that. Okay, it's got the little bushing in it and wire tied in. Oh, we are hoping that this will line right up. Well, obviously, we're going to have to do quite a bit of replumbing coming out on this side. I assume it has not yet been bench bled, so we're going to have to do that. I think I'm going to paint I'm going to paint this black before it goes in, because I don't like it when they like rusty. That's not cool. But, yep. Another step forward. We'll keep ticking away at it.
This has been an empty